Oh, hi there. Are you looking for a great home in a wonderful neighborhood that's really close to walking distance? Well, if so, stick around. Let me finish this up. I'll see you inside. Hi, I'm Jake Tysiak with the J Team at Keller Infinity, and I want to invite you to our open house this Saturday out here at 2875 Compton Road in Aurora, Illinois. We'll be holding this house open on the 15th from 12 to 2 p.m. here in the Pine Meadows neighborhood. Now, this is a great location if you like walkability. McCarthy Elementary is just a few blocks away, and just across Eola, you'll find the Eola branch of the public library as well as the community center. Now, as far as the home itself, it's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home, which does feature a finished basement. You'll definitely want to check out this home, including this living room and dining room combination area. Now, it's a little bit of an open floor plan with the dining room being exposed right here to the living room, but that really benefits from the fact that the living room itself has these vaulted ceilings, as well as these large, almost 10-foot windows letting in plenty of sunlight in the afternoon hours. And I'm sure you're going to want to spend some time in this family room as well. It's a great size area, and the fact that it's located just off the kitchen is a perfect spot for the little ones to be sitting here and being able to keep an eye as preparing the evening dinner, or maybe just keeping an eye on them actually doing some homework at the breakfast area inside the kitchen. So again, I invite you to join us this Saturday, February 15th from 12 to 2 here at 2875 Compton Road in Aurora. Come out, take a look at the area, take a look at the house, explore the rooms, explore the kitchen, and let us know your thoughts. I'm Jake Tysiak with Keller Williams. We'll see you this Saturday.